All right, so here, losers round 5, I believe, actually.
Yeah.
And
well, I have the bracket on my phone. Yeah, this is losers round 5. Yeah.
yeah. So we're gonna see how this goes here. We got Frost and Vendetta versus
quarters.
Noe3 and Naga.
There's gonna be Noe3 this year, bud.
Oh, so I love that they do the matching blue. You know, they really want to make sure.
That is actually pretty crisp.
Yeah.
That's
looks nice.
They don't like completely match, but
yeah, I like a little off. I like a little difference though. So we're at Smashville.
When does Mario ever even wear like the cotton candy?
Good
Does
question.
he ever?
I've never seen him wear. Oh no.
The lemons. What were the lemons going to do?
Apparently enough. I don't know, man.
Like, stop. No, don't kill him.
Stop.
No.
You're gonna hit him. No.
Oh,
he's dead.
My God.
It's over.
He held that forever.
Yeah. Why did he shield?
I don't know. I don't know.
Just roll. Get out. Actually, if you roll, you're gonna get hit by it anyway.
Just get out of there.
Yeah, just get out. Jump to a down air, I guess. I don't know. That's a really bad situation to be in. He hits him again. Just these focuses come out, and he is not missing.
Dude, Vendetta is just a freight train right now. Even Frost sort of has to stay out of his way.
Exactly. He's like, I don't care who you are. You're getting hit. It's kind of like a rampaging bull, right? Like.
Yeah, Ryu is seeing red right now.
Yeah.
It's like a bull in a china shop, which actually. Not as destructive as you would think.
Yeah.
I think bulls get a bad rap for that.
I think so too. Oh, too many.
That was a good SDI by Noe3.
Oof. Can't do it there though. The down tilt Shoryu takes it, but Frost's gonna lose his stock. My goodness. So Vendetta trying to recover. Noe3 says nope. See ya.
Yep, you're gone. That was actually big right there.
That was huge. But that
big back air.
taken, yeah, from the back air
from Frost.
So
Frost finally showing up.
Yeah, he's like, hey guys, I'm here.
Hey guys, I'm here.
Remember me?
Can I get a burst?
He broke his shield.
Nothing.
And the lemon.
Yeah, the lemon's gonna bring him back. Nothing's gonna happen. Boop. Your shield breaks in doubles or not.
No.
Unless it's a 2v1.
Yeah.
Like your teammate's gonna.
Gave him as a.
Oh wow, he took a ride.
Oh yeah.
Took a ride on the old Robo Pupper.
That would have been disgusting if you short him. Oh, capes it right back at him, looking for the fair. I like it. Oh. Tilts, gets the nair, going for the down air, does not connect as Noe3 kind of jumps away from him. He's caught that metal blade.
What's the dog's name again? Rush?
Rush, yeah. Like the band.
Oh, there we go.
Vendetta runs in, Shoryu again. Noe3 just throwing Shoryus of his own. It's like, I can do it.
Yeah.
Check this out. Not so special. Ooh. Naga really wants to forward smash him. So Vendetta trying to recover. Flood does not catch him. He's coming in too low. Ooh, did he just?
Yeah, he sure did.
Huh.
No, whatever you. Yeah, he definitely did that.
Yeah.
Mario's dead. All right, so
you don't want to jump.
Dead.
You don't want to do that.
Wow.
He's gonna get caught by that, and he's dead. And now all we have left is a Frost. A lonely little Frost. Oh wow, that F smash could have ended his life brutally. So we have Noe3 out here at a percent that leads to
yeah,
a couple things.
Wow.
All right, so back throw. Gonna use him as a projectile. I guess that makes sense.
Ooh, he waited for the
he almost
spot
got
dodge there. Yeah.
So we got Frost throwing it out there.
This is definitely doable.
He's gonna hit him with the up smash. It's not gonna kill him, so that's just kind of gonna stale it at this point. But you gotta throw it. One of your safest smashes. I guess that down smash. Oh yeah, he's gonna get punished. I thought we were gonna see a up tilt, but didn't get
No.
it.
All right. This is actually one of the least threatening 2v1s right now.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't really look like blue team has. It doesn't really look like blue team has setups and stuff available. They're just sort of
throwing moves.
Yeah, which is fine. Like you have that advantage. There we go.
Yeah. Okay.
So a little bit there. But like I said, these guys are both very close to death, especially as they bring Frost closer and closer to max rage.
Exactly. Oh, didn't connect. I think he only got one hit of that. Down smash doesn't kill. And they're just like, oh, is he gonna push him towards him with the flood, do a thing? That'd be kind of cool. Oh.
Bruh, if you up smash one more time.
Oh, and there he goes. All right, so now it's a one-on-one.
Now things are a little more interesting.
So, Frost.
This is not the 1v1 I would have wanted.
No, not if you're Noe3.
Yeah. Not if you're Frost either. Like, when does he ever play against a Mega Man?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, it's kind of a weird matchup, but
okay, down smash?
Down smash is smart. It's the fastest smash he's got. So, if he up smash there, it was over. He gets back thrown.
But he's gonna make it back.
You never really want to fall on Mario, you know?
Yeah, no, you definitely don't want to do that.
So this is gonna be a very interesting ride to the finish. Ooh. Okay, runs through. Oh, this is really scary.
He's just sort of waiting for his opening there. He knows.
Absolutely.
He knows. Oh, and the back air is gonna take it.
Seals game 1 for Noe3 and Naga. So a lot of footsies, lots of movement. And Naga just, Noe3 just kind of connects with that back air. Interesting.
It'd be like that sometimes.
It does. And
valiant effort by Frost, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, he just kind of stayed alive, played safe, very safe, man. You know, whenever he made a hit on shield, there was always space enough to knock somebody away. You know what I mean? Up smashing, kind of just pushing them both away, being able to spot dodge afterwards. Interesting, nobody was able to really read those spots.
Little Mac.
Okay. I don't know if that was the problem.
You know, I am not going to doubt him. I will never doubt him.
Fair enough. As we're going to see the Little Mac come out on FD for Game 2.
This is a best of 3, though. Here's the thing about best of 3s, right? So that character change can totally ruin your momentum.
Oh, absolutely.
But it can also help.
Yeah, it can also kickstart it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It all depends. Right now, he's just kind of getting thrown around. He's already at 67%.
Not the worst thing in the world, honestly. As long as he doesn't lose his stock. Okay.
Yeah, I guess, I mean, it's rage, right? Like.
Yeah, and gets him close to KO punch, too.
Absolutely, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so he's going to get thrown off stage here. And Naga, with the cape and all of his options, decides not to use any. He's going to tech that and come back. I'm surprised he didn't stay
Meanwhile, on stage.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and he's got that KO punch. He knows where he's at.
I'm really surprised that...
Oh, you went for that.
Oh, just grab him again. Back air, takes the stock.
Yeah, it's going to kill him.
So, this character change, we'll see how it works out for the rest of the game, but initially not looking too hot. Oh my goodness, he just can't touch the ground. Noe3.
Yeah, Mega Man is doing his damnedest to make sure that Mac stays invalidated.
And now he's just throwing smash attacks. He's going to take that stock, looking for the down smash. Can't connect on Noe3.
Yeah, he's just chucking knucks here.
But on the other side, Frost throwing Noe3 off stage. Noe3 trying to recover now, makes it back through the help of Naga, really. Oh, wow. Ooh, that was scary.
These smash attacks. He's literally just running in and smash attacking.
Yeah. Wow, he rolled in, so I mean...
I think he's saving it for a special occasion, like he saves his jump.
Yeah, I think he is. Yeah,
ooh,
he
yeah.
almost caught his teammate.
Almost.
That would have been a catastrophic move. I think I'm seeing a little bit of a strategy here. I don't want to say it because we're so close to the players. So,
they don't care.
Yeah.
Oh, and he's dead. Yeah, as soon as I saw that low recovery, I'm like, recovery. That Vancouvery.
Yeah,
I'm like, yeah, you're gonna
get die for that one.
Yeah.
Oh, he slips on the back air. Okay, forward tilt, knocking him away. Push, gets him with that up smash. Forward smash. Upward angled though. Not gonna get the kill. So yeah, he's just throwing these smash attacks.
He's really just tossing hands.
Yeah.
Like, there's not much rhyme or reason to it. He's just waiting for his opportunity. Are you gonna get close? I'm gonna punch you.
Yeah, it's actually.
I'm gonna punch you in the mouth.
It's even in stocks right now. He's dead.
Not
Never
anymore.
mind. Yeah. Did he save his jump? He did
no,
not.
he's dead.
So he probably asked if he could take it.
Yeah, he's gonna take that stock. Red team is on the ropes here.
Yeah, they need to take one of these stocks away because I mean Frost has proven he's looking comfortable in the 2v1. So really.
I think if they just get that kill on Norm, and see what happens from there.
Exactly. That's your biggest thing right now is you have to kill Noe3.
Okay. Some shenanigans off stage there, but not gonna do anything.
Ouch. That is not the up smash you want to take if you're Naga.
Honestly, it would suck if Naga died first.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, hold on. All right, that was actually a very scary situation for Vendetta there.
Okay, got some rolls. Got more rolls than a bakery on that one. Okay,
so he's got the KO punch.
Yeah, he's got the KO punch, but will it matter?
All right, yeah,
Nice
you're
job
not getting him
covering
with
for his
that
teammate,
edge guard
yeah.
there. Oh, I thought he was gonna go for the.
The KO.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna go for the KO to
Well,
punish
it's got
that.
so much lag that like it's scary to throw out just haphazardly.
You're right. You're right.
Oh, I think
When
he
he
wanted
lost
to
it.
use it. Yeah. I think he used the. Oh, there he goes.
He's not
Frost is coming back. He's going to get up
yeah.
smash. So now it's looking real difficult. Oh, okay.
Okay, Naga. All right.
Okay. Yeah, he's just going to run up and up
Yeah,
smash.
all
with the
right.
Invincibility. And Naga and Noe3 get a 2-0.
Yes, staying strong in the face of just a freight train.
Yeah. And they come out victorious.